Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So here in this video I'm going to give the clarity and detailed video about income tax subject because many of the students are afraid of this subject. Though it is a hard subject, I want to make it crystal clear and easy to get passed for each and every student and to score O grade also. Previously I have already done a video on income tax, so many of the students are asking just to what is the topics are there in the income tax subject, what are the topics we should prepare to get pass marks, etc., etc., all the questions you are having. So in this video I'm going to give the clarity for all your questions. So first, what you all do is don't skip the video and watch till the end. Then only you will get the full clarity about what I am saying and what are the tips I am saying in the middle of the video, etc., etc., etc. And this one video is enough to get passed or to get O grade also. So first we look into the syllabus. Total we are having 5 units. So in this 5 units you need to prepare 5 chapters, means each and every unit you should prepare. Okay. So I will tell that in unit 1 what is the questions you need to prepare and what are the problematic questions will come, etc., etc., everything in detail I will discuss in the video. So firstly we are having total 5 units. Okay. And as you all know, question paper is of 80 marks. In part B, in each unit you will get internal choice, right? In unit number 1 2 questions like that you will get. First we will discuss question paper pattern. So it is a 80 marks question paper. Section A consists of 8 questions. In that 8 questions you need to attempt any 5 questions, and in section A they may ask theory as well as problematic. It's a mixed of that part A. So mostly 5 questions will come theory, and remaining 3 is problematic. We can expect problematic. And section B is in each unit you will get to 2 questions with internal choice. Any one question you need to attempt. So for 80 marks question paper, 36 is the passing marks, and 50 marks question paper is 20 is passing mark. And many of the students are asking me that about the passing marks also. So income tax passing marks is 36, means you need to score more than 36, means if you will get 36 marks then you will get pass marks. Okay. So like that. So first I will discuss part B questions, that is long. In each unit what are the theory questions will come and what are the problematic questions will come, everything I will discuss in detail for part B, because part B consists of 60 marks, so you should not neglect 60 marks. So first you need to prepare only part B. So if you prepare part B, then automatically you will able to attempt part A also easily. So coming to the first unit, so first unit is only purely theory. You are not going to have any problematic in the question paper, but compulsory theory question will come. So I have given only 4 questions. In that 4 questions also, prepare first 3 questions which I have highlighted with red color. So exempted incomes under section 10, and determine the residential status of an individual, and agriculture income and its features. These 3 questions is enough. And if you learn these 3 questions, in part B you will attempt one question, that is from ninth question you will attempt, which consists of 12 marks. So don't neglect this question. So prepare all that 3 questions. If you're having additional time, prepare that fourth question also. Okay, no problem. So this is unit 1. And unit 2 in long, you may get both theory questions, or you may get both problematic question, or else one theory and one problematic question also they may ask. So what you all need to do is, so as tomorrow only is your exam, right? So just prepare pro forma of income from salaries. If they ask, actually unit 2 is a basically it's a hard subject, hard chapter and matter. So it's a hard chapter, and many of the students are will get difficulties in this chapter if you learn problematic. So if you learn theory also, we are not having chances that theory is compulsory they will give or not, we don't know. So what you all need to do is just prepare income from salaries pro forma. If they ask problematic, just post that pro forma, draw that pro forma clearly and post the postings. And for 12 marks questions you will get around 8 or 9 marks if you draw pro forma very well. If you post that ledgers what has given in the questions, if you post that thing in the pro forma, then you will absolutely get 8 to 9 marks. Okay, so this is all about the unit 2. Don't concentrate too much on unit 2, just prepare only one pro forma, that is income from salaries pro forma, and that pro forma PDF link is given in the description and comment box. So everything I will give in the description and comment box, you go and check it out there. And coming to the unit number 3, we are having chances to get problematic as well. As problematic is compulsory, they will ask compulsory problematic question. So my suggestion is to you is, you prepare how income from house property method problematic for unit 3. Compulsory they will ask a problematic, one problematic question in part B, that is methods from income from household property. Okay, so in this chapter they may ask two problematic, chance 90% they may ask two problematic, the 10% they may ask sometimes one theory one problematic. So prepare problematic only. So if you want to prepare theory, prepare that. And from unit number 4, we am given only 3 question theory question, that is problematic. So in unit number 4 we are having two subheadings. What is that? One is business and one is profession. So profession is a difficult thing for problematic as well as theory. You just prepare business. Business pro forma, business problematic question is compulsory, they will ask. If they ask theory question from business also, means like for example 12th A question will come from business and 12th B question will come from profession. So you are leaving profession topic. So prepare pro forma, means method, problematic method of business, as well as theory questions related to business. They may ask sometimes, what they may ask, what are the like write the pro forma of business, what are the calculations we will do under the business methods, like that they will ask. So in fourth unit prepare only one topic, that is business. So in that business also prepare problematic only. If you learn problematic, you will gonna attempt theory question also. If they give theory also, you will easily get attempted. So in unit 4 prepare only business topic. Okay, and unit number 5 you will get only problematic. Two questions will get problematic. If you want to learn theory question, you learn that three theory questions which I have mentioned in the screen, that is which I have mentioned the highlighted questions. So that is theory questions. And compulsory problematic question will come from unit number 5, that is capital gain, calculate capital gain, compute capital gain, like that they will ask compulsory problematic question. Amma, you need to prepare the method of capital gain problematic method. Okay, so this is all about the long. So in unit number 1 what you are reading, theory question, the three theory question. And in unit number 2 what you are preparing, income from salaries pro forma. And unit number 3 household property methods problematic method you are preparing. And unit number 4 business problematic method you are preparing. And unit number 5 capital gain problematic you are preparing, right? So only third, fourth, fifth you are preparing problematic, and second is of pro forma only, and first is theory, right? This is all about the part B. If you learn this part B very clearly, as I said, then you will score 55 for 60 marks, around 55 56 marks you will easily get scored. Okay, so coming back to the short, in short they may ask 80% theory. Out of 8 questions, 5 questions is theory only. So unit number 5 prepare this 5 theory questions. So unit number 5 as is of it is a theory, you prepare these 5 questions, it is enough, more than enough. And if they ask problematic in part A, either any of the chapter like fourth chapter, fifth chapter, third chapter, if you learn problematic, long problematic, then easily you can attempt short also. No need to learn separate questions, problematic questions for short, like that they won't ask. So from unit number 1 it is a theory, and for in this theory either one question or two questions will definitely come in your examination. And unit number 2 also they will ask purely theory only for short, and these 5 questions is enough. And in this also deductions under section 16 is important, house rent allowances, uh, entertainment allowances, this like this, these are all the important topics. I have reduced the questions, important questions. The questions which I have mentioning in this video is the most important questions. You don't neglect these questions and don't get reduced these questions, and you don't learn 2 or 3 questions. I have already given less questions, you prepare that questions only. And unit number 3 for sure they may ask a problematic question on gross annual value. They'll give the problematic and they will ask that calculate gross annual value, like that they may ask. And if they ask theory, that 5 questions which I have given in the red color highlighted, then and that video, that the questions is enough, like MRV, co-ownership, determination of gross annual value. These are all the theory questions. Theory questions you may attempt by your own also. It is not necessary to learn as it is, how it is there in the material, how it is there in the notes, like that. It is not there. So theory questions you may write it in your own way. Okay. And unit number 4, only theory questions they may ask, they will not ask problematic. So block of assets, profession, business, deemed profit, these are all the most important questions. What do you mean by business? Means then you need to write the business introduction, business definition. In fourth chapter, how you will calculate business. If you draw pro forma also, then definitely you can score full marks, that is 4 marks you will score, right? In unit number 5, they may ask a problematic question on capital gain for short. Already you are preparing that capital gain problematic for long, it is no need to practice again for short also. So like that I am saying that 4 questions, and first 4 questions is for theory, and that 4 questions is enough. And in that also, cost of acquisition, index cost of acquisition, these are all the things which you will get in the problematic. If you learn problematic, then you can get to know what is meant by cost of acquisition, how you will calculate in capital gains, like that you can easily write that answer in your own way for short. So I hope that I am clearly explaining what I mean. So pro formas PDFs. In first unit you are having formulas. If you learn that formulas only, like tax payable, how you will calculate tax payable, like that are the simple methods you will learn in that first unit. That formulas, if you learn it, then only you will get to know about the third, fourth, fifth chapter formulas also, methods also. So first unit formulas I will give, second unit income from salaries pro forma also I will give, and third, fourth, fifth unit business pro forma, household property pro forma, and capital gains pro forma. Everything, all pro formas I will give PDF link in description and comment section. So those who want that pro formas, so you please go and check it out in that description link and comment section link. And if you learn that pro formas, then you can use easily for 12 marks. If you post everything in pro forma well, if you'll get only calculation mistake, they will cut around only 2 to 3 marks, and remaining 8 to 9 marks is yours only. Okay. And also PDF links, important theory questions PDF link, and the notes PDF link. Important theory question PDF link I will give in this description and comment box. And if you want CR material income tax PDF link, then you can check it out in our Telegram channel, and that Telegram channel link also I will give in description and comment section. So if you want income tax CR material PDF, you should go and check it out in our Telegram channel. That Telegram channel link will be in description and comment section. And links for, as of now, what I will give means pro formas link I will give, and also theory questions, important questions PDF link also I will give in the description and comment section. So those who want that, you can please go and check it out in that. So this is all about the income tax video. So no need to worry, don't need to get tensed about the income tax subject, though it is a hard subject. If you prepare well, if you prepare in a smart way, then you can easily score O grade also. And these questions which I have mentioned in the video as theory or else problematic is enough to score O grade. Okay, it's not only get passed, it's enough to score O grade. What is required, what is need means, if you attempt each and every question in the question paper, then easily you can score full marks also. Okay, so this is all about the video. I hope that you are preparing well, and all the very best for your preparation. And also previously I have already done a video, right, income tax, and that video link also I will give in that description and comment section, because in that video I have discussed important questions numbers also. So if you want that, you can check it out in our last video. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you think video is useful, if you think this video is worthful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and refer to your friends also. Your friends may not get aware about this subject. So if you think this video is useful for your friends or families, those who are writing income tax subject exam tomorrow, you can please share this link. And if you have any doubts regarding the subject, so please mention in the comment section. Definitely I will answer your questions. Okay, so I think that I have cleared everything, because many of the students are asking about the income tax subject. So that's why I have done a video on it. So prepare very well. Once again, all the very best for your examination and all the very best for your preparation. So this is all about the video, and thank you so much.